We are going to start the trial for this machine. So this two machine is going to Madhya Pradesh. So this machine is with crane model. So both machines having a separate crane. So now we are going to use this crane. So to start the production first, this lock will be outside. First we need to put this lock inside. And this is a crane part. If you press up, it will go up. If you press down, it will come down. This is a button, up and down button. So now we need to press up. So now we can put it inside. So now we are going to connect this cap with this rod. So just push inside, that's it. And bottom we have a nut. So we need to tighten it fully by hand first. So now you can see that around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 threads is there. So totally we need to tighten 9 threads in the bottom for this machine. So we'll be giving this spanner. By using this spanner we need to tighten the nut. Until 9 we need to tighten it. Let's check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So little bit more tight. So if you count the threads, it should be 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is little bit visible. That is enough in the bottom, sir. So back side we need to tight 20 threads. So this adjustment should be done only once when we start the machine. Once the machine is started, no need to lose anything, tight or anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So back side is 20 is enough, so okay, 9 threads. So now we can start the production, sir. So now we have 15 kg of raw material for trial. So this is pure first quality groundnut. So for that we need a 1 liter water. This is a 1 liter water bottle. So now we are going to start the production. So now machine has been started. Now we need to pour 1 liter, half liter, and normally it will take around like 750 ml of water. So we will pour 750 ml of water first. So after pouring the water, we need to wait for 5 minutes. If oil comes, no need to add water. If oil doesn't come, again we need to add water, sir. So now almost 750 ml of water is added, sir. We need to wait for 5 minutes. Oil started coming from the groundnut. So this raw material has been consumed around like 1 liter water for 15 kg of raw material, sir. So it's a fully dried raw material. So based on the moisture content of the seed, you will be adding the water, sir. So normally for this seed, it will consume around like 1 liter of water. So normally from half liter to 1 liter, it will consume, sir. So for this, we have added 1 liter of water. So oil started coming, sir. So we need to wait for another 10 to 15 minutes. Then we will take the oil out, sir. Oil and cake has been separated, sir. Now we'll remove the oil out. So when this In this stage only we need to remove the oil, sir. The cake and oil should be separate, sir. So I'm going to stop the machine in this area, sir. So I'll challenge any manufacturer in Coimbatore or Tamilnadu or India. So no one can produce oil like this. So we are the number one brand who is doing a pure cold press oil by using this fully wooden machine. So most of the customers are not using the wooden machine and they are saying it's a cold press machine. So I challenge other manufacturers. So like if anyone is giving a best quality machine like me, I'll give one machine free, 1 lakh rupees free. So like my competitor in Coimbatore, they are giving a challenge. So I am also ready to challenge them. So anyone is ready to challenge the oil quality, like no one can produce the oil like this. So I'm going to upload this video in YouTube. So everyone who is watching this video or any manufacturer is watching this video, I'll challenge them. So if anyone can produce the oil like this, I'll give 1 lakh rupees free, one machine free. So like everyone is saying in the online YouTube. So this is a perfect cold press machine we are manufacturing. So while taking the cake, I'll just show you, sir. Cake has become fully dry. So now we'll take the oil out. So this is the second time we are taking the oil out, sir. So now oil is slowly only coming out. So now it's fully dry inside. So after this we'll need to wait for another 10 to 15 minutes. Then we'll take the cake out, sir. We'll remove the oil cake out. It's become fully dry, sir. So now we can start removing the cake, sir. So we have taken the oil. So we have got 40% of oil output from this groundnut. So now normally from groundnut and sesame you will get 40%, sir. Only from the coconut you will get 60% of oil output. So now we can start removing the cake, sir. So what are the cake in the top, you can easily remove by hand. So inside cake only should be removed by using the tools. So you can see that you can easily remove the cake from the top. So don't because I'm regularly doing this, so I'm taking the cake when we are running the machine. But when the new customers are operating the machine, sir, please stop the machine, then start removing the cakes, sir. Fully out. So this is a cake, sir. Groundnut cake, sir. So the oil also taken out, sir. So now we'll remove the crushing part outside. First we need to lose this fully, sir. So now we have loosened this fully. The spring is loose right now. So next we need to lose this fully, sir. So after losing that, sir, we need to take the spin out. So when we are using the straight panel, when we are using the crane, sir, the crushing part should be in straight position. So So when we are pulling the cranes, so we need to use this only steel rope for pulling the cranes. So don't use this wire rope for pulling the crane. So rotating the crane, we should use only the steel rope. So now connect this with the cap. So now we have easily lifted up. So that's it, sir. So if you're going to do the second batch, we don't to lose anything, sir. In the same thing, we can start the production. So that's it, sir. So batch is completed. If you're going to show the next batch, so without losing the springs, we can put the next batch immediately, sir. So you can start the production. Thank you, sir. Thank you for watching this video.